At sunrise, Mithu works in the rice field, his hands in the soil, focused and determined. Rina sells vegetables at the village market, colorful baskets catching the morning sunlight. Little Riyan studies late at night under a dim lantern, eager to learn. Mithu carries a heavy basket of crops along a muddy path, the sunset behind him. Rina tends to the tiny garden, planting seeds with gentle care and hope. Riyan plays joyfully with handmade wooden toys in the small yard. Mithu and Rina repair their house roof with tin sheets, working together under dusty sunlight. The family sits on a mat, sharing a simple meal with warm smiles. Riyan draws on old papers, crayons scattered around, sunlight streaming through the window. Mithu rests under a tree after a long day, tired but content. Rina washes clothes by the river, her colorful sari reflecting in the flowing water. Riyan studies under a tree outside, curiosity shining in his eyes. Mithu helps Riyan tie his shoes, a small moment of care and guidance. Rina feeds Riyan breakfast, warmth and love in every gesture. Mithu walks home with bundles of crops, the golden sunset lighting his path. Rina sweeps the courtyard with a handmade broom, morning sunlight highlighting her work. Riyan plays near the riverbank, a small boat floating beside him, excitement in his eyes. Mithu mends a broken tool in front of the house, focused and determined. Rina prepares a traditional meal over a clay stove, smoke curling gently into the air. The family sits together under a banyan tree, bathed in soft golden evening light. Riyan watches a school bus pass by, eyes full of hope and dreams. Mithu carries water along the dusty path, every step a symbol of hard work. Rina stitches old clothes for Riyan, ensuring he is ready for school. Riyan shows a handmade toy to his parents, their smiles reflecting pride and joy. Mithu repairs fences around the garden, sunset colors painting the sky. Rina ties Riyan's hair before school, tender moments of care. Riyan collects wildflowers, bringing small happiness to his mother. Mithu and Rina walk together along a muddy path, holding hands and facing life together. Rina carries water in clay pots from the river, soft morning fog surrounding her. Mithu rests against a tree, watching Riyan play, warmth in his heart. Riyan does homework under a flickering lantern, learning with dedication. Mithu fixes the small gate, tired but determined to protect his home. Rina tends to a sick chicken in the yard, gentle hands and care in every motion. The family celebrates a small festival, simple decorations and joyful expressions everywhere. Riyan gives flowers to Rina, a small gesture of love and gratitude. Mithu and Rina watch Riyan ride a wooden cart, the sunset painting the sky behind them. Rina prepares traditional sweets in the kitchen, warmth and care in every movement. Riyan presents a small school project, eyes shining with excitement and pride. Mithu carries a tired Riyan home, sunset glow embracing them. Rina helps Riyan with his school uniform, tender moments of love and guidance. The family sits together outside in the rain, laughter and joy filling the air. Mithu works late under the moonlight in the field, tired but resolute. Rina mends a torn bag for Riyan, each stitch made with care and love. Riyan proudly shows his drawing to Mithu and Rina, their faces glowing with pride. Mithu carries firewood on his shoulder, early morning mist surrounding the village path. Rina teaches Riyan to cook a simple meal, warmth and learning in the kitchen. The family watches the sunset together, a serene pond reflecting their peaceful life. Riyan presents his science project at school, confident and proud. Mithu and Rina celebrate Riyan's prize, hugging under the warm sunset glow. Finally, the family walks home together, holding hands, hearts full of love and hope, golden evening light bathing them.